Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in today's video we're going to follow up to our HONOR MagicPad 2 12.3 unboxing and set the tablet up. It is an Android-based tablet with Google Play services from HONOR, and now that HONOR are almost completely out of Huawei's sphere of influence. And because I had switched on the tablet as part of the initial go, I'll try and switch that off again and show you everything from the very beginning. So I'll switch the tablet off. That's just one long hold of the power button if you want to know how to do that. Right, I'm going to long press it again and we'll switch it on properly and go through it through the beginning. You will want to see the HONOR logo and that powered by Android logo that is common to most Android tablets nowadays. And when I say Android tablets, yes, I do consider Amazon Fire tablets to be in that category. Though there is an interesting Amazon Fire device launch happening in March. I'm quite excited to see what's coming. But for now, we've got a section for choosing what language we want to set this up in. I'm going to go with English, United Kingdom, end user license agreement. If you've watched our HONOR Magic 7 Pro unboxing and setup videos, you know that we do trust HONOR, so we're going to go ahead with that and give them access to all the data. Next, I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi network. Great, now I'm connected to my Wi-Fi network. We'll move on. Now it's saying that it's getting the tablet ready. I don't really want to copy apps. Interesting, I'm used to having don't copy on the left-hand side and next on the right-hand side on a phone. Doing it on a wide screen like this is disarming. As you probably know if you've watched a few Tech Travel Geeks videos, we unbox and set up quite a few devices every year. But for now, I'm going to set this up for an adult or teenager. And I'm going to have to sign into my Google account now. Great, so that's me signing in now. It's going to ask for two-factor authentication. Luckily, I have my HONOR Magic 7 Pro right next to me, so that should be a notification I have here. And yes, I'm going to do that. And if you haven't already, you can see, as I said, our unboxing and setup videos for the HONOR Magic 7 Pro and the video we did unboxing and reviewing this wonderful case for the HONOR Magic 7 Pro. But let's move on. Now that we've logged into our Google account on the HONOR MagicPad 2, I'm going to agree to Google's terms of service. In Google we trust, as I've said many times here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. We're just going through Google services, speaking to the wonderful cloud. Then it gives us our Google services options to back up device data, use location, allow scanning, send usage and diagnostic data, and install updates and apps. I accept that. As we said, in Google we trust. Next, this is a ballot screen, pretty much just for the European Union, but we need to choose our search engine. And I just finished saying in Google we trust. I'm going to choose Google, but you have plenty of options here to set up your default search engine from a list of quite a few options. Next up, it's suggesting we access Assistant with the Hey G wording, and I'm going to agree to that. And then it's going to activate voice match. Now, I've set up quite a few Google devices, so I'm going to agree to that and see if I actually do need to set up my voice. No, I don't. And I agree to allow the Google Assistant to work from the lock screen of my device. So provide your quick login to your HONOR ID. Yes, that's fine. Why can't I tick that? There we go. So it's going to discover my devices. In this case, I have my HONOR Magic 7 Pro here next to me. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled. There we go. Make sure Bluetooth is on and Wi-Fi is connected. Yes. And the screen is unlocked. And you'll see I get a little prompt here. HONOR MagicPad 2, quick login. I'm going to click connect. HONOR MagicPad 2 can quickly log into my HONOR ID. Next, I need to scan the QR code on the tablet. And now it's logging into my HONOR ID without having to type my long complex password too much. So next up, we're going to set up our security. In this case, device protection. It's going to be face recognition and a password. So we're going to set up face recognition, but before we need to do that, we need to set up a PIN. Great, so now it's saying to set up face recognition, make sure the camera lens is clean, and so I'm going to click get started. Not the best picture of me, but that's good. So this is my profile. I'm going to call it Matteo. Done. Then enhanced services. Yes, we will enable all services in HONOR we trust. Allow all usage access. Yes, we'll give HONOR all the data, including our location. And then it's giving you the option to choose, and I like this, to choose between gesture navigation and 3-key navigation. Now, you can go with 3 keys, your traditional buttons at the bottom of the screen, or gestures. In this case, I'm going to go with 3 keys. I want to avoid accidental gesture navigation when using this tablet. And here we have the lovely shiny screen of the HONOR MagicPad 2 12.3. It is a stunning display. And this is the HONOR UI. By default, there's no app drawer, it's just home screen like on the Fruity Company's devices, and the Google Now feed, or whatever it's called nowadays, on the left with all relevant news to my Google account. So good to see that that's there, but I can swap into the actual thing. Let's see what apps are updating in the background. It's lovely on a big screen. So my apps and games. So there's 25 updates pending. We're going to update them all. Some of them will be bloatware, which I definitely do not want to be using, but initially it's a lovely, lovely display. A bit free in that screen, but let's just go back one and search for some apps that I know I'll be using on this. So for a bit of context, I'm going away this weekend. I will be wanting to take some video with me, so I'll install Netflix. That's already installed and updating. Disney Plus, I'm going to install that. Obviously Amazon Prime Video, BBC iPlayer. I'm assuming already have YouTube installed. Instagram. Hey you iPad users, look, I've got Instagram on an Android tablet. Does that make you want to switch? Ooh, there's a Six Nations BBC Sport app. I'll install that just in case. Shein, or Shane, or whatever it's called. Perplexity AI, our Chief Aperture Officer, has been using that for a while and he quite enjoys it. Let's see what other apps it's suggesting I install. AliExpress. Funnily enough, I can't get the AliExpress app on Amazon Fire tablet. Amazon Shopping. Microsoft Edge? No. I'll trust Google. Oh, I can put Telegram on my tablet. Let's do that. Other shopping apps, Proton Mail. We'll not discuss that. BorrowBox. This is for my library membership. It will allow me to borrow books from the library digitally. And I am going away for the weekend. I'll be using some public Wi-Fi networks, so I will need my preferred VPN, Surfshark, which is available. Great. There's quite a few other VPN options. Let's see if Windscribe that is there. Interesting. Oh, here it is. In the side panel rather than in the results. Great, so that's a few. Oh, Reddit as well. Ooh, it's suggesting Amazon Photos. Yes, I want to have that. That's fantastic. Okay, so I'm installing apps in the background. Everything is surprisingly smooth. Let's see if I can get an app drawer here. By default, as you can see, it's very Fruity Company based home screen and style. You have home screen and style settings here. So I'm going to go to home screen settings, icon size, standard, auto rotate. Do we have any other? Here we go, home screen style. It's not style as in fashion, it's you choose between your standard or one with an app drawer. And I'm going to go with that. Now this will feel really weird to iPad users, but you can swipe up and have all your apps there and get rid of the ones you don't want on your home screen. You can also use a tried and tested method, the UI method of uninstalling apps from your home screen. Long press on the icon you want to install, in this case, a pretty redundant Office suite if you have Google Drive. If you do it in the app drawer, you can uninstall the app, click OK, and it's gone. That was relatively fast. Other bloatware apps that are on the HONOR MagicPad 2.12.3, Booking.com. Uninstall. Okay. What else? I installed Borrow Market, Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, Kidspace, Music Player, High Honor. Okay, that seems to be not too bad. Booking.com was the annoying one. We've got a notification from the Google Play Store. Let's see how our apps are doing. 4 app updates, which is not bad. Okay, that was a pretty painless setup. You've got your notification center, so as with on other Magic devices from HONOR and other HONOR devices, as well as Infinix and a whole slew of brands. If you swipe down on the right, you'll have your control panel, so your quick settings, and you can then edit those if you need to. And if, on the other hand, you swipe down on the left, you'll just get your notifications. So let's go to Settings, scroll down to the bottom, System and Updates, Software Update. Let's see if there's an update for Magic OS 8. I'm suspecting there is. Yes, there's Magic OS 8.0.1. So I'm going to download and install that in the background. Meanwhile, a long press on the home screen. I get suggested to pinch. I'm going to change the wallpaper and see what sort of wallpapers are available. Select wallpaper. The selection of wallpapers seems very, very similar to the ones on HONOR smartphones. Let's choose this one. I quite like that. Let's apply that. And there we go. I prefer that sort of beach and greeny water. HONOR obviously has its own apps and widgets as well. Let's have a look at the weather app. So I'm going to allow whilst using the app. That's great. And here we go. We're at -1 degrees Celsius outside. That's quite chilly. The wind's not too bad. It's less than 12 kilometers an hour. And things today are not bad. Oh, and it takes you to AccuWeather when you click on the actual thing. Great. Okay, so that's the initial setup of the HONOR MagicPad 2. This is the 12.3 option in white. Thanks for watching if you made it this far into this video. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better, including wonderful cases, phones, power banks, cables, and we also do some travel content. And as I said, I'm taking this tablet away with me for the weekend, so I will be able to put it through its paces whilst traveling, and might actually do a video about our travels in an EV. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.